let's do some questions based on the large numbers. Here we have population of Sundarnagar as 2,35,471 in the year 1991. In the year 2001, it was found to be increased by this. What was the population in 2001? Now, in the year 1991, let us write. What was the population? It was 2,35,471. We have to find out the population in 2001, and we say that as per the question it is increased by 72,958. So what will be the population in 2001? It would be this added with 72,958. So now we are going to add them up, and after adding you would get a value as 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 5 makes 12, 1, 9, 10 and 4, 14, 1, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 8, then 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you have this. That means the population of Sundarnagar in the year 2001 is 3,08,429. Moving to the next question, we have in one state the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 to 2003 was 7,43,000, right? So this is the number of bicycles sold in the year in a state. But in the year 2003 to 2004, the number of bicycles sold were 8 lakh and 100. So now we have to find out in which year were more bicycles sold and how many more. So can you compare in the year 2002 to 2003, how many bicycles were sold? 7,43,000 bicycles. Now for the next year, that is 2003 to 2004, how many bicycles? 8 lakhs and 100. So which one out of them is greater? For comparison, we start comparing the largest place. Now the largest place over here is this, and this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs place. Similarly here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs place. So which out of them is greater? Definitely this is greater. So we say that more number of bicycles were sold in 2003 and 2004. So we write over here 2003 to 2004, we have more bicycles sold. So we write over here in 2003 to 2004, more bicycles were sold. But we are not finishing only here. We have the next part where how many more bicycles were sold. For this we are going to subtract, right, this from this value. On the subtraction you will be able to find out how many more. So we will write over here 800,100, subtraction of 7,43,000 is going to give us the value as, here we get 0, 0, 1, here we get 7, and here we get 5. So by this we can say that these many more bicycles were sold. Now we have answered the question that said in which year were more bicycles sold. In the year 2003 to 2004, more bicycles were sold, and by how many more. We have just found out how many more cycles were sold. So in total, if I ask you which one out of them is greater, you will just tell me this is definitely greater. If I ask you which out of them is greater and by how much, for how much you will have to subtract both of them and check that this is the value by which the other one is greater than the previous one. So this is how you solve the questions based on large numbers.